They didn't move on fast because they healed. They moved on fast because they just couldn't sit with themselves. And I know how that feels. To see them with someone else so quickly, like everything you went through meant nothing. But that's not the truth. Because moving on and moving forward are not the same thing. One is growth, the other is escape. They don't move on fast because they're ready. They move on fast because they need someone. Someone to distract them. Someone to validate them. Someone to fill the space that you used to hold. And without that, they're left alone with themselves. And that's something they avoid at all cost. So they replace. Not because you were replaceable, but because they need replacement. And I know it hurts to see them give to someone else what you begged for. But what they're giving isn't real change. It's a performance. And performances don't last. Because real growth, that takes time. It takes accountability. And most importantly, it takes sitting with the damage that you caused. And that's something you already did. You sat with it. You questioned yourself. You felt everything. And that's why you're the one actually moving forward. Not fast, but real. So don't let their timing confuse you. Fast doesn't mean better. And it definitely doesn't mean healed. Some people move on quickly because they're running, not because they've arrived. And sometimes they don't move on fast. They were already somewhere else.